So, dear students, in this video lecture, I am going to explain the merging network. The merging network is also called as odd-even merge network. It takes two sorted arrays of size n equal to 2 power k, take odd elements one side, even elements to the other side. Take odd elements one side, even elements to the other side. Merge the odd and even sides recursively and in parallel. Output of the merge are interleaved. So how to sort the elements using merge sort? It is a odd even merge sort of all. So it takes a sorted arrays of size n equal to 2 power k. Take odd elements one side and even elements another side. Merge the odd and even sides recursively and in parallel. Outputs of the merges are interleaved. So this is the concept we are using. I will explain through example. 4 odd even merge sorter with 2 by 2 merger. Suppose 4 elements I have taken. For these 4 elements odd even merge sorter, we are using 2 by 2 merger. That means how to uh, sort 4 elements. See here. First two, next A 1 1 1 2 3 4 1 3 2 4 and 2 3. This is the logic we have to use 2 by 2 merger. Next 4 by 4 odd even merge network. See, we have 8 elements. For these 8 elements we consider in depth 1. In 3 depths we have to sort these elements using even odd merge network. In depth 1 what we are doing is uh, take the comparators for the odd wires and even wires separately. Here coming to A to H, odd numbers are A, C, E, G. For this A, C, G, E, A, C, E, G, first comparator we take the AE, second comparator CG. This is the odd numbers. Next, that means odd numbers we take one side, even numbers we take another side. So what are the odd numbers? A, C, E, Z is odd numbers. We take one side, and even numbers are B, D, F, H. On the other side you have to take. Now you give the comparators for the odd numbers with length 2. Similarly, even numbers with length 2. After that, in depth 2, what we are doing is merge the odd numbers with the CE and DF. Odd numbers CE and DF. In depth 3, what we are doing is out of merge are interleaved except first and last. So except first and last, remaining are interleaved. This is the odd even merge sort we have to follow. Now I will explain this concept with the help of example so that you can clearly understand. Now this is the example I have to use. This is the list I have given. For this list you have to apply the merging network concept or odd even transformation merging sorting technique. Now the first step what we are doing is we apply the 2 by 2 merger 2 by 2 merger for the first list and second list. See, either list elements contains 8, divide the two halves, take A, B, C, D and E, F, G, H like that, and you apply the 2 by 2 merger. 2 by 2 merger means apply the comparators for first 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, then apply, take the odd and even for the first list. 4, 3, apply the comparator, we get 3, 4, 9, 8, apply the comparator, we get 8, 9. Similarly, in the second half again we have to use the even odd even, odd 1, 6, even 5, 7, odd even we have to apply 2 by 2 merge, odd even merge sorter. So then you go to the apply for BC. Next FZ 5, 6, then you will get this one. So in first step in the odd even transportation merge sort, what we are doing is, for the given list divide into two halves, apply the 2 by 2 merger. That means 4 odd even merge sort we are applying. With this, first apply the comparators, 2 elements, then odd even, then middle of the numbers, then you will get the list. After that, we take the odd numbers in one side and even numbers the other side. So what are the odd numbers here? A, E is one odd, next CG is another odd. Next even, we have to take the even. What are the even numbers? CG and DH. Now apply the comparators for that. In depth 1, what we have to do. In depth 1, take the odd numbers and even numbers. So odd numbers, apply the comparators, even numbers, apply the comparators. You will get the result this one. After getting for the result of first one, you will take the depth 2. In depth 2, merge CE and DF. Merge CE and DF. See, CE and DF. Apply the comparators. 6, 3. So 3, 6 we will get. 7, 5, 5, 7 we will get. So after depth 2 is over, this is the output. Next, finally, out of merger, after merging CEDF, so we take the interleave. So apply the comparators for the interleave except first and last. So first last is these two apply one comparators, these two apply one comparator, and these two apply one comparator. So what is the comparator output of 4, 3, 3, 4. Comparator output of 5, 6, 5, 6 only. 7, 8, 7, 8 only. Now this is the sorted list. So once again I will explain. First you divide two types. Apply the 4 odd even merge sorter. 4 odd even merge sorter lo first 2 ni తీసుకొని కంపారిటర్ అప్లై చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ ఆడ్ ఈవెన్ తీసుకొని కంపారిటర్ అప్లై చేస్తాము. నెక్స్ట్ మిడిల్ కంపారిటర్ అప్లై చేస్తాము. ఓకే, సో 4 by 4 ఆడ్ ఈవెన్ మెర్జ్ సార్టర్ ఆర్ 2 by 2 మెర్జర్. 2 by 2 మెర్జర్. 2 by 2 మెర్జర్లో ఏం చేస్తామంటే 2 2 తీసుకుంటాం. ఈ రెండు తీసుకుంటాం, ఈ రెండు తీసుకుంటాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఆడ్ ఈవెన్, నెక్స్ట్ మిడిల్. Once first step is over, that means 4 odd even merge sorter is over, go to the 4 by 4 odd even merge sorter. In 4 by 4 odd even merge sorter, what we are doing is give the numbers A to Z or A to H. Now you take the odd numbers, give it to the comparators, even numbers give it to the comparators. What are the odd numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 5 is one odd number. 3, 7 is another odd number. 2, 4, 2, 6 and 4, 8. Another even numbers. So you give it odd numbers to the comparators and even numbers to the comparators. Then you will get the result. For this result, you merge CE and DF. Apply the merge CE DF in the sense apply the comparators for CE and DF. You will get the result. For this result, apply the comparators to the interleaves. Interleaves except last and first and last. You apply the out of merge or interleave. That means you shall apply 4, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8 comparators. Then you will get sorted list. That means interleave in the sense BC, here C, BC, next DE, DE, FG. Apply the comparators like this. This is the comparators we are applying for the interleave except first and one. Finally, we will get the sorted order. Thank you.